Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are in Islamabad city. Now let us take Spanish people. What is your name?
My name is Charo.
Why are you living in Pakistan?
Yes, I like.
Do you like Pakistan?
Yes, I like Pakistan. It's very beautiful.
Pakistan is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
And how you found the people?
The people is maravilloso, is gentle, and it's very fantastic.
People are gentle and fantastic. Do you like this channel?
Yes.
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 This Spanish women are saying that Pakistan is a beautiful country and the people are very loyal, fantastic and good. That's why we love Pakistan and we are living in Pakistan safe and sound. Muhammad Zakir from Roze News, Islamabad.
Saluda a tu madre, Charo.